You're going to put the Angela light.
Daddy's going to lift you on top of the... Wait, on top of the tree. Yeah. Don't knock the tree over. Oh. Do you need a chair? Here's a chair over here.
Okay.
He did it.
There you go. You like that? Is that pretty?
What?
Pretty?
It's
Kind of tall.
It's time that they do it around.
Yeah. Alright.
All right, Hannah, are you ready to put some ornaments on the tree?
Yeah.
You're our Christmas fairy, remember? Christmas fairy, give us a twirl.
Yes.
Yay! All right, can you show the camera where your ornaments are? Hannah, show us where your ornaments are. Oh, is that yours? I thought that was Mommy's. Where's yours? Where's your box of ornaments? There's yours. Ooh, look at all that. Does Lukey have a box yet?
No.
No. Where is Luke today? Why? Because could he be here for helping to decorate the tree?
No.
No, he couldn't, could he? Because he would just get in the way, wouldn't he? Yeah. Maybe next year, though, right? So should we decorate the tree now, Hannah?
What? I said no. What?
Yeah, is that pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
I need to put this in here.
Say
Is
bye-bye.
that one of yours too now? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What?